tail length. It's something similar to what's in recycle. It takes a short sound and make it longer. You ever had a sound that was just too short? You just can't really do anything. Well, you go to tail length. Now, I want you to also notice something. The pop on the end of the sample, right? All right. So I turn tail length on. That sample is a little bit longer and that pop is gone. But I can make that sample long. So I can do stuff with it. But I want to show you a cool feature that many of y'all might not know about. You can use tail length kind of creatively. So I have this real short sound right here, right? You can barely hear that. All right, so I'll turn tail length on. Now I'm gonna turn it up to like something really crazy. Like, okay, so now you see that? That's like basically a synth sound now, right? So I'm gonna go here to like 16 levels. Now it's a bass. Now I can go in and further shape that. So I'm gonna say go into envelopes. Let's say go into my filter. I'm gonna turn that down some. Turn it. You know what I mean? So tail length is a great feature. Don't sleep on it.